This is my toolbox tour. I have the snap-on bottle, snap-on top, and a blue point cart. Let's see what I got. We'll start with the wrenches. These are snap-on. I bought these used for $200. It's from 1 inch all the way down to what, 5/16. These are my ratchets. They are gear wrench. These from what, 3/4 to 5/16. Here go my welder helmet. I use a fabricate all the time. I use this knife all the time. It comes in handy. Even though I'm not a mechanic, I take it with me because I'm a truck driver now. It carries me wherever I go. And a rechargeable light. You see my son bit off the button, so. Let me see what else I got. Why can't I open this? Oh, there you go. I bought these because I got a Volkswagen, and to change the brakes, you got to have a whole bunch of these. They come in handy. I only use one time. I just basically sit here and collect dust like the rest of my toolbox. Snap on tape measure, 25 feet and 10 feet. I use these all the time fabrication. When I do the fabricating, I use this the most though. I like using this way more than that one because it's smaller. My blue point light, actually it works. Even though how jacked up it works. But I don't use it anymore. I have a whole bunch of safety glasses because my eyes is very important. I'm very serious about these. I wear these all the time. Let's see what else I got. Blue point, 11 tube, but like again for fabrication. Then about test lead. Let me see. Well, check out the first drawer. Most all my half-inch sockets are Harbor Freight. They are Pittsburgh, but most 90%, all of my 3/8 and under and 3/8 are Macos. Oh, this is a Maco, 28 inch. Oh yeah, all these are Macos, and so are these. But these are Pittsburgh by 12 point. I don't know. It's hard to see it. These are Macos, Maco, and Maco. These are mixed. Some of them are Maco and some of them are Pittsburgh. Because when I first started mechanic, I had a whole bunch of these, the silver ones. So I was replacing them with impact sockets. Northern Tools. This is my torque wrench. I bought this and I only used it one time. That was a waste of money. I only been used, so it just sit there and collect dust. I use these all the time when I replacing door panels. I need to replace door panels at FedEx Freight as a trailer mechanic. I use these a lot when I work on rail gear. I use to fabricate and build them. Then we have to maintain them. A company called DBI Service. Then most of the big ones for, because if you ever mess with rail gear, you need big sockets, and the stuff is really heavy. It's way heavier than regular diesel mechanic stuff. These are by extensions. These are snap-on. These are some cheap brand I bought online. They are. It's supposed to be impact extensions, but they break, so I don't use them on impact. I broke a couple of them. Where is it? Oh yeah, I broke that one. I broke that, but I don't know where it went. So, alrighty, let's check out the second drawer. These are my gear ratchet wrenches, the 1 inch to 3/16. I bought these at Tractor Supply. They was on sale one day. I think they was going out of business. I bought them for like, I think it was $15. I bought those for. There you can tell those are Pittsburgh. Yeah, I know they sucks. These are ratchet wrenches. They are. Let me see. They Mako. I had these for a while. What are they? These are gear wrenches. And I actually like these, especially when you adjust the brakes or you get it somewhere tight. These come in very handy. I bought these on sale online. I forgot the website. It was buy one, get one free. So I paid $80, $85 for that one, and they gave me that one, but threw that one in for free. So I got both sets for $85 online. I wish that I'm gonna see that I still have that link. If I still have that link, I'll post it in this video. This is Snap-on. Let's see. I use this a lot when the rail, playing with rail, you get the button there and hold it. That's what I bought it for. Tighten up rail nuts. This is my Snap-on pry bar. I forgot exactly how long it is. Let's see what else I got. These are a whole bunch of stuff I just collected on the way and didn't want to throw away. Just in case I might need something that I don't mind messing up or leaving somewhere. That's why I kept those. If I'm getting something real dirty, or I'm going somewhere I might end up losing somewhere, I ain't gonna go back. I'll take one of these cheap ones. Because if I lose it, who cares? I ain't pay that much money for them. Okay. Let's check out the next drawer. My Snap-on picks, my Mac punches, and my Mako scrapers. I'll be honest, I really don't use these. You can tell I use this one a lot, but I really never use those. I ain't supposed to use these, my Phillips and my flathead, because I ain't want to lose them, because everybody lose theirs, and I ain't want to lose mine, so I didn't use it. I use these a lot. You can tell it went down a little bit because I smacked it so many times. Let's see. Let's check out my next drawer. My ring pliers, Snap-on. These are for hose. If you're taking like a water hose off, instead of sticking a flathead in there and punching it, you can stick these in there. It's kind of rounded, so it's not going to punch the hose, and you can pull it off without messing it up, damaging it. These are pretty nice. My Snap-on picks, I use that one a lot. I grind it down a lot. That's why it's shorter. My Mako panel poppers. But actually, I use these to change air brakes. You grab this because I don't have the air brakes tool, and you put the spring. You put the spring at the bottom of this, and you just press down and pop it on. That's why I use to change air brakes. I'm back on your own semis. Let's see. What are these? These are Silver Eagle. I don't really use them that often. Actually, no, that's a lie. I use them a lot. Let's see what else I got. Snap-on. These are Mako. and they are metric. I use these a lot. I'm always grinding on something, trying to make it sharpen it, grinding it down. And let's see what. See what else I got? My pipe pliers. Pipe pliers. I use these to. I think I bought it for help me replace a front ball joint. I think it was an international. I was replacing the front ball joints. I can't exactly remember. These are fabrication. When I do fabrication, there's a lot of welding. This is fabrication. This is a electric digital level. It's pretty cool. It got the light. It got a light on it to tell you that you straight. So I do a lot of fabrication. Let me see what else I got. Where was that? Oh, these come in handy when you got to replace trailer plugs because they're real small. It fits in there, fits in a little screw. Just twist it real easy. Twist it out. See, you can see the trailer plugs, little nuts and a little thing that hold the wires. I forgot the proper name for it. Let's see. I'm gonna open the drawer. See, it got about trailer plug tester. So, oh yeah, I forgot to y'all. I love this, my Mako. I forgot what these Mako. Let me see what else I got. Here's my pliers. Smaller channel locks. Same thing. I love these. My dice, cause zip ties. I use them to cut everything. To be honest, if it can cut it, I'm gonna try to cut it with it. Wire crimpers to help you crimp the wires. My needle nose. Actually, needle nose kind of suck. You see the end of them. They ain't that good, and they turn into rust for some reason. I don't really use these. This is a waste of money. It's supposed to help you clamp the hose clamp on the hose, and you're supposed to push it together so you can just slide it off. But that's more trouble than it actually worth. My brake adjusters for the slack adjusters. Vice grips for clamping. Vice grips for clamping. My needle nose. This is a hose cutter. When they work on rail gear, we had the see how sharp they are. You can replace that. Put these back right quick. Needle nose. I use this quite often. I use these on trailer doors. When we have to replace the trailer panels, we put little small bolts in them. So, and I put this a 3/8, not a 3/8. My little drill bit and a drill bit, my drill gun. This one, yes, it does. It had jackhammer mode. It's pretty easy. My oil filter wrench. I broke that one. Here goes some more vice grips clamps that I use for fabrication. I forgot how long this is. Let's see what else I got. How long is that ratchet? I don't remember how long the ratchet is. I was saying drawer. This is drill bits. This is my welding helmet. Oh, no, not my welding cap. Welding cap. This to change the brakes. My Blue Point. I forgot the proper name for this. I think jackhammer. That's not a jackhammer, but I forgot the proper name of it. When you know this video, you forget certain details. Let's see what else I got. Those for changing brakes on real cars. Cause some of them got you can't push them in. You got to turn it. I need the special tools to twist them back in. You can't press them in. Let's see what else I got. This is a junk drawer. Toothpaste was always at work when I eat something crazy. I could brush my teeth. Old pay stuff for FedEx Freight. So extra leads I bought from Macco. No, it's Mac tools. Left hand drill bit set. This for if you break a bolt off or something, and you can't get it out, you can. It's supposed to you drill a left band. If you drill it into it, it's supposed to help extract it, but it don't work. It always breaks in there. Air truck. FedEx gave me this for 2 years. For 2 years anniversary. I forgot what it is, to be honest. What is it? Oh, badge for FedEx Freight. I don't even work there no more. I just kept it. What else I got? Gloves. I need those. When I first started mechanicing and doing fabrication and welding, I didn't wear them. After a while, as the older I get, your hands start getting rough. No, they ain't cutting it. Especially with the ladies, is not. They don't want you to touch with your rough, callous hands. No, I'm cool. Oil filter remover. It always slips. It never works for me. I don't know if I'm using it wrong or what, but it never works for me. So it just sit here and collect dust. Antifreeze tester. You put it here, you suck in antifreeze, and it should tell you what temperature the antifreeze should take. If it's like 30 degrees or 20 or -5, whatever, it tells you. I bought this and I used it one time. Because I always use my Snap-on multimeter. I bought that. I don't know why I bought it for, but I bought it. Because it was on sale on the truck, so my dumb self bought it. What else I got? This is a transmission connector. It helps you disconnect fuel lines and transmission lines. So another thing, collect dust. Like I said, I ain't a mechanic no more. It just sits in the garage and collect dust. My welding glove. My welding sleeves go on my arm. Sometimes I don't wear them because sometimes the sparks don't bother me hitting my arm. So it depends on what type of day it is. There are a lot of specialty stuff. This is oil for my air tools. Let's see. That is it for my blue box. Let's check out my cart. Oh yeah, this is my creeper. It sucked. It don't roll worth for nothing. These are Maccos. These are Snap-on. I bought that Snap-on gun. They gave it to me for free. And almost all these, the ones are impacts are Macco, and some of them just cheap stuff I bought. I don't know from where. Yeah, I don't know if it were. I used to use them a lot when I used to fabricate. Here got all my junk. I just never threw away. Broken battery, never threw away. Cell phone holder. See nothing really in here. I use this a lot. Especially when you need some air. Just you can hook this back of an air tank and hook an air hose back of this when you out in the field to the truck, and you can have yourself some air. Punches. I use this all the time. These are like the your garage door, the spring, to help you adjust them. You stick them in there and you adjust them to get them tight, untight them, or you need to change them. I used to use them all the time at FedEx Freight when I used to change the trailer springs, or I used to adjust them. Just a metal scraper. Just a regular, when you do my inspection, I punch them. You know what it is. These are Pittsburgh. They ain't worth talking about. A rivet puncher. A rivet puncher. Another scraper. You scrape the old inspection sticker off, so that's what it's for. My roll mallet. My little 5-pound hammer. You go other hammer. My air cat cut off wheel. I love air cats. Air cat. This is Mac. It's pretty cool. I like these though. That's why I got them all hooked up differently. I bought a whole bunch of them. That way I don't have to keep changing them. Changing these out. That way you don't have to change them out all the time. So I just bought a whole bunch of them. So when I need it, I just grab it. I basically use this a lot when I change the wheel seal. I always with this pad on there, clean the wheel seal, clean it off, clean the races off. That way, when I put the new wheel seal on there, it'll be clean. Here got another Mac one. This is a 1/2-inch air cat. This is a 3/8 air cat. Power bar. Whole bunch of the power bars. I don't know the exact term for it. Air guns. Let's see what else I got. Oh yeah. Last thing, I love these. Like I used to have a whole bunch of these lights, but I used to leave them on the back of a truck because they magnet. Never see them again. I said I would never buy another magnet light again once I lose these. But anyway, that is it of my home toolbox tour. So any questions, hit me up. I'll answer them. At least try my best to.